Right, so welcome back to a new episode on this KX85 rebuild. This is part 6, and I'm going to be installing new tyres to the bike. We're going to be installing these bad boys today. Absolute mint. Decided to get new ones anyway because these ones are just absolute shot to bits. Front one's cracked somewhere. Yeah, not the best. But yeah, let's see how we get these on. I'll put you up on my tripod over there, and yeah, I'll be speeding the process up so I won't bore you to death. Yeah, can't be that hard. A couple of hours later, and I finally got the rear wheel tyre off. Just going over it now with a scotch pad, clean up all the spokes and everything. Look, there's still polish there, so I've got to get all this off, get all this dirt off and everything. Tried to take this sprocket off, but this weren't coming off because one of the nuts was rounded off, so I didn't bother. And yeah, finally got this off. Also managed to clean this up. So this keeps the tyre, basically hugs the tyre, stop it from slipping. And yeah, I need to order a new inner tube because, yeah, absolutely ruined. Right guys, so what I'm going to do is, on the front tyre, I'm going to go over it with a scotch pad as well, when I've got the tyre off. Yeah, so it brings out all the dirt and everything on the spokes. Yeah, it should be a bit easier because it hasn't got a sprocket on it. And yeah, let's get this tyre cleaned. So we're halfway there on this tyre inner tube situation. You sort of have to give the inner tube a bit of form, bit of shape to get it in the tyre, because otherwise it ends up pinching when you do pump it up. I've got to get the valve in that little hole there. Yeah, it's annoying, but yeah. Cleaned up the disc, well, sort of. I got a scotch pad around where the disc sits, and yeah, cleaned up all the spokes. It's looking tidier, I could say that. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I've got this on. So yeah, wish me luck. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but yeah. Right guys, so about 40 minutes later, I managed to get the front tyre installed. Yeah, the other one, as you can clearly tell, yeah, got to put the disc back on, spokes, and the rim itself, or the wheel, is polished and cleaned. Massive improvement from what it used to look like as well. So yeah, got to get the disc back on, and yeah, give this a little clean as well because it's a bit dirty as well. So yeah, get that back on. Yeah, that was what was covering the spokes, which was in need for a replacement. And yeah, finally got it on after 40 hard minutes of frustration, and you know. But yeah, let's move on to the back wheel. Right guys, so my inner tube finally came for the back tyre. Got to get the tyre on, rim lock, got to go back in, give this band a little clean, and then yeah, go over the wheel with a wire brush just to clean it up a little bit. It's absolutely filthy. So yeah, let's get to work. Right, I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I've finally got the tyre on. A lot of faffing around, but yeah, we got there in the end. The rim lock, hopefully that's on properly. If it isn't, I will find out when I'm riding the bike. I've pulled it around and everything, and it's not moving, so we'll see. But yeah, that is the tyres finally finished. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.